Module 7 is entitled Stress and the Worker Well-Being. In the context of IO psychology, stress refers to the body's and mind's reaction to demands or changes that require adjustment, impacting job attitudes, performance, and organizational commitment. But overall, stress is the physical and or psychological response to the demands made on a person. When stress management became a concern several years ago, many organizations decided that their goal would be to create a stress-free environment. IO psychologists have the knowledge and skills to assess the work environment, to identify potential work-related stressors and environmental hazards that may have a negative impact on workers' physical and psychological health and well-being, and identify and deploy evidence-based strategies to reduce stress. Upon completion of this lesson, the student should be able to identify the difference between stress, stressors, and strains. Describe how coping skills help individuals handle stress. And explain the goals of occupational health psychology and total worker health.